Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Hopefully you guys are doing well. In today's video, as you could probably tell by the title of the video, it's going to be the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton men's fragrance, the Meteore aftershave I would call it, but eau de parfum. And so stay tuned for this video. So here we have the box. As you can see, beautifully presented ribbon. This time, even though it was all bought within like a week of each other, we've got the Louis Vuitton card in standard orange. And we've got a bowl which we'll try and save, so it might be easier to slide across. What is it going in these boxes? This is my first time having something in this box, so if you can guess what it is, below, extra 10 points to you if you're watching this video. And we'll slide it across. We've managed to save this ribbon. Pull this back. And it's magnetic, which is quite cool. I've only got a few boxes like this that are magnetic, but instead, first time getting a rectangular box. Orange with embossed on top, Louis Vuitton, la 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 la, and it is my Louis Vuitton Meteore aftershave or fragrance eau de parfum with a little dust bag of goodies in the bottom. So, open it up. First time doing this, so hopefully it should be engraved with my initials. You can see it's got the Meteore fragrance in the box. Look how pretty. So this is one of the newer ones, I think came out in 2020, could be wrong. Anybody wondering, it is lined with felt in the bottom of that little packaging there. But it's such a nice kind of spring summer scent, I would say. L'Immensité is definitely my favourite one if you're looking for a Louis Vuitton aftershave or fragrance from a gent, either for yourself or as a gift, depending on who's watching. L'Immensité, I would say, without doubt, without even smelling it in the shop or something, is such a good one to go for. This is probably my second favourite out of all of them, and it's M-E-T-E-O-R-E, Meteor, is how I would say it. Probably butchering it, but we did get to say my initials across there in silver, so hopefully you can see that, T.S.D, like so. And the top of the box and the lid, as you can see, are also in that kind of dark chrome finish. Pretty nice little thing. And inside I've got a little cute dust bag full of these samples of fragrances as well, so it's so adorable. A little bit of tissue paper and quite nicely presented, I would say. Very cute, very happy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video on the Meteor fragrance unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Thomas Talks below. Comment below what's your favourite fragrance by Louis Vuitton. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.